And go. Oh. Gonna take that voice down. I am so excited because today I've teamed up with Netflix to help celebrate the launch of their brand new cooking show. It's called Sugar Rush. It's streaming right now on Netflix, so make sure you guys go watch it when you finish this video. So Sugar Rush is kind of like this amazing cooking show where these incredible pastry chefs make like the most amazing looking desserts. But there's a little bit of a time element to it, which makes it super exciting to watch. And I am on the edge of my seat every episode. I don't know how they do it. I'm someone that likes to take their time when I'm in the kitchen. So I just like to get all of the details right. That's the way I do it. But Netflix asked me, hey Nick, make a cupcake in 30 minutes. Make, bake, and decorate the cupcake in 30 minutes. I thought I'm gonna take that challenge. So, okay, I didn't know how this was gonna go, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna watch the video together. It goes really quickly. I'm gonna pop up in one of these corners. We're gonna watch it together. You guys can be the judge and see if I actually succeeded. I'm just gonna play it on my iPad here. Now, the video does go really, really quickly, so. Okay, go. So, Sugar Rush Challenge. 30 minutes, one cupcake masterpiece, go. So this is the cupcake we're making. So we're making the batter right now, so we're putting the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, bicarb soda. I don't know if I can do this really quickly. So you want to mix that all together, and then you want to add your butter in there. You're going to mix that until it's kind of crumbly. You're going to add your eggs and your milk. And then you want to mix that until it all comes together. So we're ready to scoop these cupcakes. Now we're baking these on a high temperature because we need to bake them quickly. So in the oven they go. And next we're moving on to the center, which is a custard. So this is like a French custard. So we've got our all of our dry ingredients in there, and then we put our eggs in there. And guys, the full recipe is going to be on my website. Then we're going to add our milk in there, and we're going to microwave this until it thickens. But while it's microwaving, let's move on to our frosting. So it's basically just butter and sugar, guys, and some vanilla in there. The recipe for that is on my website. So you want to mix that until it gets nice and fluffy and white. Now our cupcakes are baked. You can see they're kind of a little bit volcano-y, but that's okay. We're going to pop them in the freezer and let them chill really, really quickly. Next, our custard has completely cooked. We've put our butter in there. I'm just splitting it up because we're going to be making some rainbow custard. So I'm just using food gels to put that in there. We're going to mix everything up, and then oh, this is taking a little bit longer than I thought. We're gonna have a little bit of time. Okay, so we're gonna fill our piping bag with some buttercream frosting, WILTON 1M tip. Core the center of your baked cupcakes. We're gonna fill it up with the rainbow pudding in there, so in the order of the rainbow. And then we're just gonna tap it a little bit just so that the custard falls down the bottom a little bit. And then we're gonna frost our frosting on top, add some sprinkles, and boom, we have done it in 30 minutes, guys. I succeeded. I didn't think I could do this. It was awesome. It was exhilarating. Thank you to Netflix for giving me this super awesome challenge. So that was my cupcake in 30 minutes. Now, thank you so much again to Netflix for teaming up with me on this video. I had so much fun. The new show, Sugar Rush, make sure you watch that on Netflix. So if you guys want to see me do another one of these 30-minute cupcake challenge videos, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you want to see me make. That was pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you to Netflix, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran Line.